Guys, welcome back to your another reading. So I was not planning to shoot at all, but here is a quick reading because I had a channel. So without wasting any time, let's just get right into your reading, guys. Let's see what messages do I have for you today. So what does the person watching this need to know, Spirit? You have the Five of Swords in reverse. An apology is coming towards you very, very soon. Somebody is about to come and apologize. Oh my God, we literally have the Justice coming out. Somebody is literally about to come and apologize for something. Expect an apology. This can be anybody. For some of you, now this is very specific. For some of you, this is your mother. This person is finally breaking free from the illusions that they had in their mind. And this person might have had this habit of thinking that their way is the only right way. This person is going to break the ice between the two of you, because I feel like there is a lot of cold conversations that were expected the last time the two of you had a conversation with each other. This person is about to come towards you and apologize because illusions are breaking in their mind and they are realizing that they are not always the right person, and they will be coming in and apologizing. This person is going through a rebirth right now. This person is going through a transformation. This person is going through a rebirth, and that's why this person is going to come in and break the ice. Basically, you're getting the rewards of your good karma, and you will have, you will be able to set yourself free because of this conversation. Either you will be moving on from this person forever, forever, you will never look back. Once you move on, there is no looking back, is what I heard. But for the rest of you, this will be like a new beginning. This will create a foundation for a new beginning between the two of you. And the worst is finally, the worst is already behind you. The worst is over. The worst is literally over. And I think this person can also be like a father figure. So a parent's energy is coming out a lot now. Doesn't have to be a mother or your father or your mother, but this can be an ex, this can be an ex-friend, this can be anybody. But I feel like this is somebody who is very greedy when it comes to finances. This person could have been very, they wanted to see where the grass is, where the grass is greener. And I think this person was not, this is not a right energy that I see. There was an imbalance. This person could have had a habit of just taking from you and never reverted it back, never gave anything back in return. But for you, I feel like the worst is already over, and this person is going to get their karma for hurting you. I don't get a very good energy from this person. I'm being very honest. I feel like this person has did you very bad. Let me know if you are comfortable enough. Share your stories. I feel like this person has did something really bad to you, and I think this person is going to get their karma, and that's why they are coming towards you. It's gonna get 360-degree opposite. If you were chasing this person, now you're moving on and this person is going to chase after you. So there is change and immense, something is changing and something is immense in this energy. I swear to God, this person hasn't done right by you, collective. I can sense that. But what does the person watching this need to know? What should they be doing? What is the message coming in? Queen of Fires in reverse. You're advised here to not listen to this person. If this person talks to you about their emotions, if this person is trying to manipulate you when it comes to if they are I loved you so much but I wasn't able to do this and do that. I just heard that they had every opportunity, they had every single thing in their control, and they would have loved you, they would have been kinder to you if they chose to be kinder to you. So I think even if this person did you dirty, even if the times were tough, this person had a chance. If they wanted to, they would have been a good person to you, and they did not choose to be a good person to you. So do not give this person a chance, because I feel like this person is going through intense karma right now, and that's why this person is coming towards you. But the apology is needed in order to set you free. The apology from this person is needed so that you can set yourself free, so that you can move on from this person. Emperor and Empress is coming out. I just saw 444, so you guys are protected. You don't have to worry about this person messing anything up in your life. But do not get manipulated if this person is trying to manipulate you when it comes to their emotional words. Like they will try to be very emotional, they are going to tempt you. You will get tempted to forgive this person, but your advice to you to, yeah, forgive, let go and move on, but do not give this person another chance, because they don't deserve your energy. You deserve so much more than this, and that's why you don't deserve to be in this person's energy, because you deserve so much more than what this person can offer. You deserve so much more than what this person has to offer. So that's why it's important for you to not give your energy to this person, because this is a devil, like this person, and you are an angel. So if an angel is giving devil the energy that it does not need, it is going to grow. And the universe, your spirit team, do not want this person to grow because of your energy. Ace of Waters, you will be getting your new beginning when it comes to your emotional sense, emotional side, emotional self. You will be having your fresh new beginning when it comes to your romantic relationships, when it comes to your emotions, okay, when it comes to your love, when it comes to your mental health. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to feel the lack. So if you feel like if you lose out this person, or if you had this constant fear of people leaving you and people not loving you, because like if you used to overgive to people in relationships because you guys were scared, if you're ever I'm not able to speak, if you guys were scared, and if you used to overgive in relationships because you guys were scared if you are ever going to get loved by other people, the answer to that is yes, you are lovable and you are going to find your people. It might have taken some time, if it might have taken longer than you expected, but you are going to find your people at the end of the day, and you will have your new beginning when it comes to your emotional well-being, when it comes to your emotional satisfaction. But you will have to let go of what does not serve you, and I know it's hard. Patience. I know you have been patient enough. I know that your spirit team really wants you to know through me that they really love you. Like they see your struggles, they see how long you have been struggling, they see that you have been waiting, you have been patient, you have been going through a lot of rebirths, a lot of financial breakthroughs are coming towards you, is something that they want to tell you, that you don't have to worry about your finances anymore, because they will be taking care of it. They see your struggles, they see how hurt you are, they see how people have hurted you, they see your struggles, they see how much you have suffered when it comes to your mental health, and your time is coming. They see you, they hear you, you are not alone, you are not lonely. Even if you feel at times that there is nobody listening to you, even if you feel like nobody loves you, they do. And there will be coming a time in your life where you will see the physical proof of your angels and God's love in a human body, which means that you will be attracting your soul tribe, which means you will be attracting a person who will love you just the way God loves you. I know it's impossible, but in divine unions, if you met your soulmate, if you met your divine counterpart, you will find your true love, who will love you like God's love, who will give you God's love. We have the Lovers in reverse, which talks about self-love. So right now, or I will rather say that the struggles that you went through were actually important so that you can love yourself. You don't see the type of person that you have become right now, but we do. Your spirit team is saying that we do. Like even if you don't see the type of person you have become, even if you don't see the changes that has happened in your personality, in yourself, you don't see it, but we do. And this is the reason why you had to go through everything that you went through, and we are so proud of you. We are so in awe of every single thing that you do, that you never gave up, and we are very proud of you. We are so proud of you. We love you so much, and your struggles will be ending soon. This is just a note from your spirit team that the apology is coming in. The spirit team is sending this person into your life to apologize, because they want you to set yourself free from this person. They want you to heal from this person. They want you to move on from this person so that you can move towards better things in life. And I think that's why this message was so much important to come out of me right now. And they just want to show you how much they love and care for you. And this apology is one of just like tiny gesture from your spirit team to show you that they love you. 959 and 1001. Do not give up hopes. Do not give up hopes of your happily ever after, because you will be experiencing that in this lifetime only. Alright, I'm sending you so much love and light, guys, and I will see you in the next one.